the place, but it's really happening. There are people all around. But the most and the prettiest and the best part is this, the Sukul Bahar. It looks so lovely and they have decorated it a lot due to Ramadan. So yeah, enjoy you guys the whole video and make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries. Assalamu alaikum you guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm outside for iftar. I'm not at Din Tai Fung, but I'm here at one of my favorite places. It's called the Hurricane and Grill. So for iftar we have placed our order, but they have served us some laban, which in Urdu we call it a lassi, and then we have dates. So I'll just break my fast and I'll catch up with you guys with the later condiments that will follow this. So this is my meal for iftar, guys. This is the peri peri steak. That is one of the best that they offer at this place called Hurricanes and Grill. I have mashed potato on the side and some crispy onions, crispy fried onions. So this is the iftar for today. And just to let you know, it's the 16th of Ramadan. So I am at a place right now which is called Hafiz Mustafa. We are here to have their Turkish tea and the dessert. So as soon as those things come into play or come on my table, I'll show that to you. And this is how so on my side, I can show you, I can see Burj Khalifa but as it is covered from here, so I cannot show you completely the place, but it's really happening. There are people all around. But the most and the prettiest and the best part is this, the Sukul Bahar. It looks so lovely and they have decorated it a lot due to Ramadan. So yeah, enjoy you guys the whole video and make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries. Such an amazing Ramadan song is being played at the backside along the fountain show. I could make sure that you guys can hear it. That's why I'm doing a voiceover, but the song is in the background, and I don't exactly understood the lyrics, neither I know the name of the song, but it was so good. Alongside we had this light show on Burj Khalifa, and everybody was just enjoying these fountain views. So I wanted to also capture it for you guys. And in Ramadan, it's also festive and beautiful everywhere. You could see the Sukul Bahar at the back. It has all the lights. It's illuminated in such a good way. So that's an idea that I wanted to show you guys, that this is how we celebrate Ramadan here in the UAE, here in Dubai, or in any other emirate. And we love these cities a lot, and it's whole different festive vibe during this 1 month. And we make sure to go out to visit places, to do iftars outside, because it's so festive and lovely everywhere. And our dessert for the night is here. It's basically the cheese kunafa at Hafiz Mustafa. We requested them to serve it with honey instead of the sugar syrup, because honey tastes a bit better, and then it's health-wise it's better than sugar, though it's also very sweet. And it's topped with that pistachio powder, but this powder is more like more full of preservative rather than the actual pistachio. So this thing Hafiz Mustafa needs to improve themselves, that you need to actually have the essence of smashed or chopped avocados, not avocados, pistachios. See, even everything is green, that I am thinking about avocados instead of pistachios. And they need to improve on this part, otherwise the kunafa was really good. And their tea is one of its best. You could just go by at this place called Hafiz Mustafa in Dubai Mall or Mall of Emirates and enjoy a very good kunafa with Turkish tea. And a lot of their other Turkish delights are also there. So you guys just enjoy the view, and I was enjoying my dessert and the Turkish tea. After breaking the fast, one feels so dizzy, and you need to have that cup of tea to, rejuvenate all the energy in you and go back to your real self post iftar. I am at a place in Dubai Mall. It's called the District. It's newly opened with the level shoes. We have few eateries that have opened lately, and by the name of Slurp, and then we have the Cheesecake Factory over here and Pete's Coffee. I'll go over there again to show you guys how it is. But do you see how they have decorated the space? They have all revamped this area. Before, here used to be a big dinosaur statue that they moved towards the other side. We have the mass over here, and they are all mostly coffee shops over here, apart from the jewelry shops. So it's totally revamped, and there are a few more over here, the coffee shops and the gold jewelry shops. And this is how it is. It's the whole entrance there, and you can go towards the ice rink from here. Let me go again towards the other side. This seems to be an eatery or maybe a coffee shop, and we have level over here. This place again, if you can go back to one of my very initial videos, here used to be a dinosaur, which they moved to another place. And we have the Cheesecake Factory here. They have recently opened Pete's Coffee here too, and the space is really elite, and the decor of Pete's Coffee, the outside, the chairs, it's amazing. It gives you vintage vibes more over. This is how it is, and this is the entrance of it. You can go sit, enjoy a coffee. It's a bit more peaceful than the chaos of the outside part of the Dubai Mall. We have the level shoes over here. We have this national jewelry. It's all been revamped. Star gems, etc. I would just go outside and I would show you the entrance, the proper gate of this area. And we have Arabica over here. So this is it, you guys. This is the district. I showed this decoration for Ramadan to you guys initially in my initial Ramadan vlogs, and just see how cool it looks from here. It's flickering a lot because of the big chandelier and so much lights everywhere, but do you see these half moon stars everywhere, and the decoration? It looks amazing from naked eye, and I'm trying to capture it well for you guys from the phone as well. And we have cafes at the ground floor as well. This is the second floor, and it's Fashion Avenue for your reference if you want to come and visit. So with that, I would like to take a leave from you guys. Make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries, and you help me grow, and you support my channel, and I'll make sure to bring so much more amazing content for you guys for the remaining days of Ramadan. So the second half of Ramadan
like the last 2 weeks, they happen to be really much more what you say fun, because we are approaching the Eid time. So I would try to make as many videos as I can, because managing work with fasting and all the ibadah that we have to do is a bit of a challenge, but we are in the flow now, and I'll make sure to make the videos for you guys side by side, from here, from Yas Island, Ferrari World. So I hope you are liking my content. If you do, please feel free to leave your comments and feedback in the comment section. And I'm just trying to go back. It's almost 10 or 10:15 p.m. at night, and it's a Sunday. We have work tomorrow. So until next time, you guys, take care, and yeah, Allah Hafiz.